dinosaur is here. Something slightly different for you. I've been selling ERP for over 40 years, so I've seen a lot of changes during that time. Yeah, the event has been great for AcuPower. This is our third time that we've been at the event. We've had some really great conversations. What's been interesting this year, opposed to last year, we've had people come to the stand who know about Acumatica. So the great branding and the work that we've done over the last 12 months has paid dividends. And also the quality of conversation, the senior delegates that we're talking to. As we know, it's a paid event, so that says something about the quality of delegates. In-depth conversations, as I said, with CFOs, CEOs, talking a whole range of subjects from manufacturing to distribution, multi-company consolidation, warehouse management, many subjects across the ERP sector where Acumatica fits very well.